All right. Those are my whole strawberries that I put in my pre-cooked pie crust. And we're just gonna make sure it's kind of layered in there evenly. Beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead to the stove. We're starting off with 3/4 a cup of granulated sugar over medium heat. I have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch that we're adding to our sugar. Make sure you get all of that out. We're gonna whisk that together super quick, just so that it's well combined. Bring back our measuring cup and our can of Sprite, and we're gonna do 1 cup of Sprite. You can use sugar-free if you prefer, or you can use 7-Up, but I like Sprite. All right, it's almost this whole can. Beautiful. I have 1/2 cup of water. And now we are gonna whisk this on medium heat until that sugar is dissolved and we get kind of like a boiling mixture. All right, now this is what we want it to look like. It's thickened, the sugar has dissolved. We're gonna go ahead and take this off of the heat. And now I'm gonna add in my 3-ounce strawberry jello. And we're gonna whisk this until that jello has fully dissolved. Ooh, that smells amazing.
It does.
All right. And once that's fully dissolved, we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. All right, it's been 5 minutes. It's time to drizzle this over our strawberries. Cool, making sure to cover every strawberry. Oh my goodness, this looks so decadent. Ooh, let that settle before I keep pouring on these. All right, I think that's gonna be enough. We have a little extra that we didn't need. Now we're gonna place this in the fridge for 4 hours, okay? All right, our pie is almost ready, so I'm gonna grab a chilled bowl and I'm gonna add some heavy cream to our chilled bowl and just eyeball it. That is the beauty of this. So once we have our heavy cream in there, we're gonna come in with our powdered sugar because we are making a simple whip topping. And like I said, this is all eyeballing it. I've always eyeballed my whip topping and it's always come out delicious. Last thing we're gonna add to this is our pure vanilla extract, and we're gonna add a teaspoon of that. That's the only thing I'm gonna measure. And that's only because you can use the lid of your vanilla. Beautiful.
Super easy.
All right, and I have here my hand mixer. We're gonna go ahead and turn that on, and let's whip it up. So we are just gonna get this whipped up together until we have some peaks, and we have the most delicious whip topping to go with that strawberry pie that's just waiting for us in the fridge. All right, so we've been whipping this for about 4 minutes and I think it is ready. Let's just kind of clear off those beaters a little bit. And then look at that, nice and fluffy. All right, I think it's time to go get our pie. All right, it's been 4 hours in the fridge and look at that beauty. We had a little bit of spillage, but that's nothing some whipped cream can't fix. But let's go ahead and just cut a slice. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We lost a few strawberries. That's okay, we can just grab them and put it right on the side. Of course, we gotta grab our homemade whipped topping. Put a generous amount on there. And this pie is ready to enjoy. Oh my goodness, I don't even know where to start. I want to get a strawberry.
Get a strawberry.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Is it good?
That is so, so good. I don't know why the slices of strawberries need to be so big. Maybe cut them a little smaller, but with that whipped cream, it's phenomenal.